What if I tell you that one simple word could boost your motivation instantly? Here's the science behind it. The psychologist Sandra Dalkus conducted a study on motivation. Participants were divided into two groups. The first group used self-talk in the first person, like I enjoy exercising, I should go jogging. The second group, however, they spoke in the second person, like you enjoy exercising, you should go jogging. The results? Those who used you were far more motivated to hit the gym. Why? Because talking to yourself as if you're advising a friend creates distance. It tricks your brain into becoming your own coach, more supportive, more encouraging. So, next time if you're struggling to start something, don't say, I can do this. Tell yourself with looking at the mirror, you can do this. Watch how that small shift fuels your motivation. And if you want to know why visualizing success might be holding you back, watch this video. It might change how you approach your goal forever.